Hello everyone, we're here from this one in this analyze of this game. So the name of this tournament is US Championship 2025, so also known as 2025 US Women Chess Championship. So these are the events that feature the 12 strongest women players in this United States. So these are the many women, so it means these are the 12 players. So let's see if this code of this name. So these are the 12 players between International Master Carissa Yip, International Master Alice Lee. So it means close friends by these two, Carissa Yip and Alice Lee. And also Grandmaster Irina Crash and International Master Anna Sarsian. So it means without Anna Sarsian was transferred by in this USA. So it means Anna Sarsian, she was a country by Romania. So I thought today is USA transfer. And also International Master Tatef Abrahamian, International Master Anna Zantonsky, and International Master Inasi Pakitsi. I thought she was a host from this chess here. And also Woman Grandmaster Altauza Orkashian. So it means Woman Grandmaster, and also FIDE Master Talia Cervantes, and my favorite players for my crush by FIDE Master Jennifer Yu. So it means Jennifer was a beautiful. So she was a finishing by graduate in this college in this USA. And also FIDE Master Rose Atwell, and the last from this one by FIDE Master in this USA is Megan Paragua. So I thought Megan was she was a Philippines. So Megan Paragua was cousin in this one in this Mark Paragua. So let's see from this one. So start by Women's Chess Championship from October 12 to October 24. So October 24. So I thought late from this one by schedule here. And also this one by 2025 US Chess Championship by 12 players round robin. So long game here, so it means format by increment, so it means 30 seconds increment move here. Also priced by $152,000 prize fund, so it means US Women Championship, so it means so championship $35,000, so it means prize placement price. So it means 12 plays 4,000, so it means women winners bonus 5,000 here. So it means so locations. So US Women Chess Championship was placed here from this location by St. Louis Chess Club in St. Louis, Missouri, United States of America. So these are the plays by St. Louis Chess Club. Very awesome, fantastic, and this one was wonderful place here. So it means so these are a from these players from this 2025 US Women Chess Championship. So let's start here from this one. Okay, so these are today's round number 1. So round number 1 within women's Swiss. So how many clocks within 1 hour, 30 minutes, and 30 seconds increment. So, and also have a between from this international master in USA. So look at this one. Oh, United States of America, United States. So it means international master Anna Sarsian. So it means Anna Sarsian was a country by Romania. So Anna Sarsian was transferring by in this country by United States of America. And also versus by FIDE Master in USA is Rose Atwell. So I thought Rose Atwell was a focusing by this one in this chess here. So in this part of this videos here in this women's Swiss, and also have a analyze of the standings after round number 1 in women's Swiss. So white plays Sarsian is e4, e6 Rose Atwell, French defense, and also d4, d5, and also e5 without close, semi-close, and also c5, c3, and also knight c6, and also knight f3. So what is called this one? So it means so Poland's attacks here. So it means advanced by Poland's attacks, and also bishop to bishop to d7. So bishop to d7 is called by French defense advanced Paulsen Owe variation. So it means without variations here from this one, and also bishop e2 without upcoming by castling by Sarsian. So without castling kingside here, and also knight g e7, and also castling by Sarsian, and also captured, and also knight f5. So it means without move side here, so it means knight f5. So it means with idea by move by dark square bishop to e7 without upcoming by castling. So without without planning by Rose Atwell to move side by knight f5 here, and also knight c3, and also bishop e7 by Rose without upcoming by castling. So castling king side, and also pawn a3 without no more by bishop to b4. So without no more by this one, so these are the move counters the pawns by Sarsians here, and also castling by Rose Atwell, and also b4. Oh, without controls here. So without move controls by this one by Sarsian, and also rook c8, and also queen d2, f6 without attacks this one, and also g4. So it means, so these are a novelty by Sarsian of these games here. So these are the old main lines here by recording by bishop to b2. So bishop b2 here from these old main lines here. So it means, so g4, bad move by Sarsian. So without bad move here, and also knight backward, so it means wrong move by Rose Atwell. So the better move is captured. So captured, and also decided backwards knight to h6. So these are a slightly advantage from these blocks here from Rose Atwell. So it means, so knight h6 by backwards by Rose here, and also captured, good move. Rook takes captured without good slice here from this one. So rook without captures here, and also knight e5 without attacks. So threats the knights or bishop threats here. So threatening the bishops and knights, and also knight f7 without counters attacks the knights without threats here, and also f4 without defense here, and also a5. So it means bad move by Rose. So it means without bad move here by a5. So it means, so the better move this one. So the best move this one is knight captured. So f takes e5. So it means d takes e5 without threats the rooks, and rook f8. So rook f8 here. So these are the good slightly solutions here. So slightly solutions. So it means, so back there this one is a5 by Rose here, and also knight captured, queen takes, and also knight a4. So what do you plan? Oh, without Sarsian with idea by knight to maneuver c5 without threats the queens. So these are the controls by continuations, and also knight d6 blunderacious by Rose. So it means, so cannot thinking by Rose Atwell. So blunderacious. So what happened? So the one's computer the best moves this one is rook f8. So these are the good controls by this best strongest here by solution. So these are the slightly advantage by blacks here. So it means blunderacious knight d6, or maybe without knights, without idea by this one knight to b6 without doubles the queens and rooks. So double attack this one. So these are the doubles attacks, and also b5. So not yet by this one by knight to b6. So it means without pawns, without threats the knights here, without controls here from this one, and also decided knight a7 by Rose, and without good move knight b6 double. So it means without nice double this one by best shot by Anna Sarsian, without knights, without doubles by queens and rooks here. So without doubles here, and also queen c7, and also knight captured rook, one rook down by Rose Atwell. So without rook downs here, and also knight captured, and also bishop to d3 without controls by this one, or maybe without idea by bishop capture sacrifice. So sacrifice here from this one, and also knight to c4 by Rose Atwell here, and also queen e2. So it means without queen e2. So I forgot something. So it means without knight c4 by Rose, or without threats the queens. So without threats here, counters attacks, temples attacks the queens here from this one, and also queen e2 by Sarsian, and also queen b6 by Rose Atwell. So it means without threats the pawns, without attacks the pawns, and also bishop e3. So without queens, do not capture this pawn. Without controls by rook b1. So these are the be careful by eye to eye contact. So it means do not capture by queen takes captured. And also knight 8 d6. So it means so do not capture queen takes captured pawn. And also rook b1 threats the queens here. So it means rook threats the queen. So be careful. You be careful by this one by eye to eye contact. So do not capture queen takes captured pawn. So back there, knight 8 d6 by Rose here, and also defense a4 by Sarsian, and also queen c7, and also g5 threats the rook. So threatening the rooks here, and also rook f7. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think about with the idea the best move by Sarsian? Brilliant sacrifice, strong move. So guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop captured, check. Sacrifice, brilliant by Anna Sarsian. So without sacrifice, brilliant move, and also king takes captured, sacrifice bishop, and Sarsian move queen h5 check. So it means strongest move by Anna Sarsian, very best move here. And also king g8, and also pawn g6 without attacks the rooks, without Rose Atwell by this pawn by Anna Sarsian, and also bishop f6 sacrifice by Rose without idea by this one attacks this pawn rook, and decided Anna Sarsian is captured pawn rook. No more rooks by Rose Atwell. So it means so double rooks, bishop and queens by Anna Sarsian, and double knights, bishop, queens by Rose Atwell. So how many pawns here? So it means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawns. So 5 pawns by Anna Sarsian, and 5. So 5 pawns by Rose Atwell. So same pawns here. And also king f8, and also bishop f2, and also knight e4. So I forgot something. Wait. So it means so how do you do that if you queen captured pawns here? So what do you think from this one, and also queen captured? So if you queen captured and also knight captured. So it means, or maybe here by this one is king captured queens. So easy solutions here. So it means these are the little best solutions here from this one. So it means I forgot something here. So it means so back there this one is knight e4 by Rose Atwell without threats the bishop, and also f5, and also queen b6 captured, queen takes, and also rook ac1, and also knight g5, and also rook c3. So it means rook c3. So rook c3, or what you plans? Oh, so I don't know what is controls by next maneuver. And also knight captured, and also rook e1 without disturbed by threats the queens by Rose Atwell, without rooks by Anna Sarsian here, and also queen d7, and also king h1 without forced move here, and also queen d8, and also rook h3 without queens behind the rooks, or maybe without, I don't know what ideas here from this one, and also queen d7, and also rook c3, and also queen d6, queen d8, sorry, miss, queen d8. Sorry, queen d8, so queen d8 here. So I'm sorry, got wrong notes here. So queen d8, and the last move from this finishing move is rook backward c2. So resigns by FIDE Master Rose Atwell. So why she resigns? For example, if you move by this one by so it means move by bishop to e7, only move by Rose Atwell, and also rook ce2 battery. So if you move by queen c7, and also bishop g3 threats the queens, and queen to d7. So if you move by rook f2, so without threatening mating net, so threatening mating nets by queens and kings here, so threatening mating nets here, and also king g8. So king g8, if you move by queen captured check here, and also king to h8. So if you move by rook captured, so rook captured here without threats the queens, so without threats the queens here, and also queen to d8, and last is queen captured mating net. So mating net, so it means so lose by blacks, so win from these whites here. So the score by this one by Anna Sarsian 89.3, so better good here, and the score 82.2 by Rose Atwell. So Rose Atwell by winning from this shot. Keep up, so better luck next time from this next round. So the next from this round 2, so between from this International Master Alice Lee and versus my favorite players, my crush by beautiful FIDE Master Jennifer Yu. I will analyze of this round 2 soon. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Rogi 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day. Keep safe and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.